Okay, here's today's project. I have this aging sprinkler. Hate these. The riser in here is metal and it is rusted into the T. So we're gonna have to cut this all out. Now, this left side of the irrigation PVC line is 3/4 inch, while the right side is a 1/2 inch. So what I'm gonna have to do, once I get this cut out, I'll have more room to work with. I have this reducer bushing. This will go into the 3/4 inch side, and that'll allow me to cut a little piece of 1/2 inch, connect that to this compression device, and the right side of it will naturally connect to the existing 1/2 inch line that continues into the rest of my sprinklers. Let's go ahead and cut this out, and that'll give me a lot more room to work. We'll go from there. Alright, let's start with this side. So we have a bunch of water here. It's going to take a little while to drain, but I'll just show you here this crap I got to work with. I don't know how many decades old this is, but this is the problem that I had to cut out. But hopefully this newer PVC is going to make things a lot easier, and I'll have much more efficient watering. Okay, so check this out. My first step on this 3/4 inch line, I put this reducer bushing on, reducing that to a 1/2 inch. Put a little 1/2 inch spacer here, and then this goes into the first part of the compression coupling, and tighten those babies up best I can. Put my 4-inch Rainbird 1800 on here, and I put some rocks here to kind of stabilize things, and I ran it a couple times checking for leaks. No leaks. So if there's no leaks, I'm going to go ahead and backfill. So much more efficient now that I swapped out that old rusty sprinkler in place of Rainbird. The optional angle. The angle's a little awkward here, past 180 degrees. And when I was backfilling, I was able to save some of the grass that I cut out and just water that pretty well for a few days. It should have no problem growing back in.